Hello everybody, so today I will show you how to find the solutions of 8. So we have the formula in here. So this one I will put in the left, so that should be like this. So we know that tan A plus tan 2A, that is about this one. Now we need to transform this one into this one, and we have like this. So this is about 3/8. And now we can do about factorization by tan 3/8. So we have like this. So 1 plus 1, we have number 2. And now we can find tan 3/8 equals to number 0. And now we have the formula to find this one. So if we have tan s equals to number 0, that means s equal to kp, and k belong to integers. So that means 3/8 equals to kp. And then we divide both sides by number 3. So we know that a belongs from 0 to b over 2. And now I will put this one goal here to find the value of k. So we divide both sides by b. Later that we multiply both sides by number 3. So because they belong to integers in here, that means k should be about number 0, number 1. So after we got about k equals to number 0 and number 1, we put back to here to find the value of 8. So we have 8 equals to number 0. And 8 equals to b over 3. And now let's go to the last one. So we have the formula of tan 2/8. So we need to transform this one into this one. And now negative tan 8 gone here. And now we multiply both sides by 1 minus tan 8 square. So this one we have number 2 minus number 2 tan A squared. And then we divide by number 2. This one we have negative number 2. So this one I will put in here. And then we divide both sides by number 2. So we put the square root for the both sides. So we have tan 8 equals to the square root of number 2 over number 2. And tan 8 equals to negative of the square root of number 2 over number 2. And now we can find the value of 8. That is about octane of this one. And we have k b in here. And k belongs to integers. Similar for the second one. So because A belongs to this one, we compare the solution in here. This one is belong to 8. When k equals to number 0, this one this not belong to this one, because this is about negative 35 degrees. But when k equals to number 1, this is bigger than b over 2. So we just have this one only. And here is the solution in here. And that is the final answer we need to find in here. Here is about the full solutions.